So we had a major problem with our hot tub cover. We've had some major wind, and wind blew it over, ripped our hot tub cover in half. So instead of buying a new hot tub cover, I'm going to try sealing with flex tape and see if this works. So what you're going to need is to clean the top of your hot tub cover, have some flex tape, and a sharp knife. So I've cleaned it already. Sounds like what we have to do here is you basically see how long we need this. We'll cut it, seal it, and kind of what I think I'm going to have to do is maybe run one down the middle and then an additional one on each side. So one here and one here. We'll see. I'm not sure how many feet we got. I think we got plenty. So I'll get all this sealed up and taped on there, and then we'll finish the video. So I got the first piece of tape on, and what I did is I just ran the length, cut it to length, and then I just found this piece of wood that I used just to kind of rub the wrinkles out of it. And I think it's going to adhere really well, but I don't know if it's going to be strong enough for it to hang over that bar and not stretch the tape. So I am going to run 2 more pieces of tape on this just to give it some extra strength. So this is a 25-foot roll, and it costs $80. That's a lot of money, but it's a lot cheaper than buying a hot tub cover. I'm hoping this works. Otherwise, I'm going to be spending $80, it not work, and then I have to buy a hot tub cover. So hopefully this works, and this video will save you guys a bunch of money. So I'll get these other 2 pieces of tape on there, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I have all 3 pieces of tape on here. It feels pretty strong. I'm hoping for the best. I'm going to let this sit. It says 24 hours you should let it dry, but I think it's going to adhere a lot quicker than that. It's probably 80 degrees today, and full sun, it's going to adhere really fast. So I'm going to wait a few hours, probably right before dark. I'll put it on, and then I'll finish the video by showing it on, and we'll see if it's got enough strength to hold. Let's cross our fingers. Thanks for watching. If you guys like videos, please consider subscribing. Gives me the motivation to keep making more videos. So stay tuned. We'll get the rest of this shown. So I have the tape on. It's been set for a few hours. It seems to be holding pretty well. And I have it back on the hot tub. So I have not tried this at all to see if it's going to work. So we're going to give this a whirl. Basically, this is what it looks like. We went with the clear just so it can kind of blend in, hopefully, because they had white and black, I think, so the clear would have been best. So what we'll do is I'm going to flip it over the bar, and we're going to hope for the best. See if it was $80 well spent. I think she's going to hold. So don't spend the $600 on a new hot tub cover if you don't have to. Just spend the $80 for the flex tape, and I think you'll be happy. Thanks for watching. Again, please consider subscribing. Give it the thumbs up. Any questions, let me know.